D. Sound off.
Sir, I'm the letter D. I'm a consonant. I make the duh sound. Duh as in dog. D-og, dog. Duh as in duck. D-uck, duck. Duh as in dinosaur. Dinosaur, dinosaur.
What else do you do, D?
I do very little, sir.
What do you mean you do very little?
I only make one sound, the sound of D, and nothing else. And I'm never silent, so I do very little.
Duh! Do you ever doodle?
Yes, I doodle.
Do you ever dawdle?
Yes, sir.
Do you ever diddle?
Yes, sir.
Duh! Then you do more than you think, don't you, D?
I guess I do, sir.
Delightful. Now line up.